We are back again with another video on SCL for TIA Portal. This is another video for do-while loops in TIA Portal. Please subscribe for new content. Do-while in SCL is used for repeated actions, or in some cases very similar to for loops, and you can see the structure here. In this video we try to make a giant OR and another AND giant AND block. For the input of this giant OR block, the input is an array of words. We make this array of words in DB1. Array of words. The name of this complex data structure is test. And it consists of 300 words. We want to OR all elements of these words together, and it's possible to perform this task with loop, do-while loop. In PLC tag, we need to add some extra tags. We consider it as the counter in word 102. We consider word 102 as counter. In word 100, we consider it as the loop counter at I. And the binary result to keep the result of OR on this giant block of data. The result is a binary signal, M200.0. We save the project at OB1 in SCL. We initialize counter and I. We initialize counter to 0 and I to 1. Insert a do-while structure to perform the loop. We need a temporary word area in the temporary part of OB1. Temp1, in each iteration we store the end of each cell with all 1. Word 16 F is all 1. We keep the result in temp1. If temp1 is not equal to 0, it means that at least there is one bit in the cell area, table.test I, in that area there is at least one bit that is on, and so the result of counter can the counter should be incremented in this case, because in OR logic, if there is a bit that is active, the entire OR logic should be on. The output of OR block should be active. So if at least there is a cell in any word, and there is a bit that is active, the output should be on. So we use this counter to check if the counter is not equal to 0, the output of the OR block is true, and if counter is 0, the output is false. The next step is to testing the project. In the do while, we also need to increment I. Save the project, compile the whole project, start the simulating, download the program to the simulating module, and change the operation mode of CPU to run. Now we test the program in the watch table. We need that one bit. We need only one bit in the entire 300 words to be active, to have the output of the OR block, to have a true stats. You see, when there is all elements, when all elements are 0, the output is 0. Otherwise, we have a true signal in output. You can test all the elements in the array. At least one true signal in those words result to true signal in output. The next example is join AND block. We need the whole words to be true to have a true signal in output. First, we need the a startup organization block to initialize all those elements to one, because it's difficult to initialize all these 300 words manually. So it's much better to do them by using do while in OB100. So delete the unnecessary code sections, and we initialize all the cell elements to FF in hex format. After initialization of the cell elements, we need to modify the previous OR block to detect to perform the AND logic. Go to OB1. We need all signals to be true. So in the first if statement, we compare temp1 with FF in hex format. If it's not in this structure, we increment the counter, and if the counter is greater than 1, it means that at least there is one cell that is not FF all 1. So the result should be false. And when all words are FF in word format, all bits are true, the result of the giant AND block, the result is true. So let's try. So as you can see, all elements are FF in X. The output is true. We change one bit to 0 and the output is false, and you can see the rest. I hope you enjoyed and you find something new. And please subscribe, like the video, and share it in other platforms.